Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the courageous chili dog from the Rick and Morty cookbook. Here at the stove I've already gone ahead and started heating up my Dutch oven, and I'll be adding in 1 pound of lean ground beef. I'll be browning up the beef for about 5 minutes, crumbling it up into small bite-sized pieces as it cooks. Now that my ground beef is cooked all the way through, I have 1 onion, 2 serrano peppers, and 3 cloves of garlic that I'll be adding in. I'll also be adding in a can of chopped green chilies and allowing these to cook for about 3 minutes, just until the onions turn translucent. Once the onions have softened up, I'll be adding in 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of the ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ancho chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of regular chili powder. And allowing this to cook for about 3 minutes, just to help toast those spices up a little bit. The next thing I'll be adding in is 1 cup of a light beer, and I'll be allowing this to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the beer is reduced by half. Once the beer has been reduced, I'll be adding in 6 ounces of tomato paste, 15 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 28 ounces of tomato sauce, 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans that I've gone ahead and rinsed and drained, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now that this has come up to a boil, I've gone ahead and reduced my temperature down to low, and I'll be allowing it to simmer for an hour here on the stove uncovered. This is going to allow the chili to thicken up and reduce a little bit, and I'll be sure to come over and stir it every once in a while just so it doesn't burn on the bottom. Towards the end of the chili cooking time, I did go ahead and heat up the hot dogs, and I've also gone ahead and lightly toasted the buns. This gets topped off however you like, whatever condiments you typically like on top of your chili dog. I'm just going with a little bit of cheese today. And now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. When I tried the sauce to make sure that the salt levels and everything were okay, I feel like there's a little something missing from it. I'm not quite sure what it is. I can't quite put my finger on it. I think the bean addition is a little weird. I don't enjoy biting into a bean while I'm eating a hot dog. It just seems a little bit out of place. With the chili on top of the hot dog, it does seem to bring the whole thing together. And it's actually tastes better, I think, once it's on top of the hot dog. Though, to me, it's still lacking just a little bit of something. It's not a bad recipe at all. I would definitely make it again. I just think it needs a little something added into it. And once I figure that out, I probably will make it that way. But overall, pretty decent recipe from the Rick and Morty cookbook. I'm definitely glad I tried it out today. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.